Ulwandle liyakwazi ukuzihlanza lona.
Self-cleansing.
Yeah. Liyakwazi ukuzihlanza.
You have been wronged. You have been humiliated in the political space, in a space that you call home.
Because I believe in the ANC. I believe in the ANC in my blood and in my life. When the ANC opened doors, kungene amaphela amaningi namaselesele nayo yonke into, yabona. Yes, amaphutha enzekile. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga ngithi asiwenzanga amaphutha within the African National Congress. Enzekile amaphutha. That is why I'm saying individuals within the African National Congress awenzile amaphutha. Khona abantu abenza ubugebengu, khona abantu abenza inkohlakalo within the African National Congress. We can't lie about that. Ulwandle liyakwazi ukuzihlanza lona.
Self-cleansing.
Yeah. Liyakwazi ukuzihlanza.